can you now admit as government that herd immunity was the policy until March?
Not at all, no. Absolutely not. Our policy, from the outset, Andrew, the policy and the strategy...
So why is Dominic Cummings telling us that that's true?
Well, I can't speak for Mr Cummings and one individual, but what...
So if you say it's not true, he said it was on all the graphs, it was on all the paperwork in those crucial meetings. Presumably, therefore, he cannot be bringing hard evidence of this. If you say it's not true...
So what I would say to this, I'm not going to comment on what Mr Cummings is going to say or also what is being speculated about right now. I think it's important, and the British public will know this. Andrew, we all remember the intensity of the pandemic when the pandemic hit last year.
But I'm asking about the decision.
And the decisions that were undertaken in government. And by our Prime Minister, rightly so, collectively, he showed great leadership at a very difficult time, closing the economy down, locking the country down as well. Big, unprecedented decisions that were based on data and evidence. And our strategy was always about protecting public health, saving lives and protecting the NHS.
Okay,
and all colleagues, absolutely all colleagues involved in those meetings and discussions, working with the chief scientists and chief medical officers, will absolutely recognise that from the very difficult discussions that we had. And Andrew, at a time of a crisis, when government is making very tough decisions, difficult decisions, we put public life and protecting the public at the forefront of all those decisions.